Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Gary to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10:45 p.m. At 10:18 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Gary, or 7 nautical miles south of Indiana Harbor, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Michigan City, Burns Harbor and Marina Shores at New Harbor. A tornado warning remains.